everybody, so I'd like to introduce Hooks, which is a Julia package I'm developing to explore sonification with streaming data using live music coding. This started life as a research project for my master's degree, which I've just finished at the University of Canterbury. Very basically, sonification is the representation of data as non-verbal sounds or music. A couple of people have asked questions about this, so I've included some more details which can be linked from my README file in the Hooks repository on GitHub. So for my data, I've used Tom Kwong's Twitter sentiment analysis in Julia using textanalysis.jl. And I'm taking the results of this and representing the classification for each tweet as a musical motif. So I send open sound control messages over UDP from a Pluto notebook to Super Collider, which is a software synth. So I have play stop messages to start and stop the music, and sentiment result messages, which updates the motif according to whether it's a positive, negative, or neutral sentiment. So I will make a more in-depth demo video, but just to show you this in action, got a little Pluto UI control to start and stop the music. I've got a little slider here which selects the row in the data frame with the tweet and its sentiment result, takes that result and uses it to produce a message to send to Super Collider. And just to show you in action very quickly. You can hear how that changes for each different classification of sentiment. So far I've achieved the processing of asynchronous data, but to process near real-time actual streaming data requires a deeper understanding of Super Collider's synchronization than I currently have. So help is welcome, and please get in touch on the link below if you're interested or you have any ideas for further development as well. So as a first-time Julia user, I found a Pluto notebook quick and easy environment to learn Julia in. But being fully reactive actually presents some challenges and a slightly different mindset than I'm used to, especially when it comes to being aware of the scope of variables. But the reactivity has also presented the advantage of very low latency. So messages automatically resend as soon as a parameter is updated, and you don't actually have to manually click through cells for those parameters to take effect and the message to be resent. So I'd like to thank the Julia community for their support with this so far and for answering my newbie questions for me. And I'll leave you with a link to my GitHub repository. So start with a README file for more information and contact details, and a link to a demo video, which goes into a bit more depth. Thank you.